Rich Fregosa here with AVNation.tv at CEDIA Expo 2019 on the show floor in Denver, Colorado. I'm here with Josh Carlson of D-Tools, your AVNation debut. We were almost going to call you not Tim Bagonis from D-Tools.
Well, technically I am not Tim Bagonis, so that would be accurate.
It's great having you for the first time.
Yeah, thanks. Happy to be here.
D-Tools, one of the linchpins of the CEDIA show for decades at this point. Last year, huge news that came out, D-Tools Cloud, just a complete revolution in the software suite that was being provided. This year, came back and decided to come swinging for the fences again. Tell me about what we're seeing on the show floor.
Yeah, so D-Tools Cloud, there's been a lot of developments in the last year. It is its birthday, I guess, technically this year. So while we focus really on sales management and opportunity management, CRM, great proposals that are multimedia, through D-Tools Cloud, we have finally introduced drawings now, right? So we have two types of drawings that are in-app without the need for external drawing applications such as Visio or AutoCAD. So they're all in-app through the software. One of them it's a plan views, so we call them whiteboard markups, which are a great visual representation of the actual project at hand that you can utilize while you're doing your proposal with the client, you know, showing them a representation of it. And like our flagship product, which I'm sure we'll talk about, it syncs with your bill of materials. So if a system integrator wants to draw first, they can, while they're populating that drawing, it'll populate their bill of materials. If the customer is like, you know what, those speakers are out, they pull those out, it removes from the bill of material, preventing redundancy issues and errors that are associated with that. That is why we've got some light project management aspects, ordering, integration with Amazon for ordering as well, and change orders, which is, I know, a really big request from a lot of our customers in general. So it's really growing its capabilities as a whole, and eventually will parallel down the line our flagship product, System Integrator.
Well, and I sat through the demo, and one of the interesting things that I noticed during the demo itself was obviously, you know, with the cloud, the data, having the data, it's never been about having the data. You've always had the data.
Right.
It's how can the integrator, somebody who's busy, somebody who's working on several projects at a time, how can they quickly get to the data, populate their proposals or their change orders? And one of the features that I really enjoyed, and it seemed silly at the time, but when you mentioned Amazon, is the pick list. As you would go ahead and search for it, originally you'd almost have to know specifically what you're looking for or drill down. But you've now broken it out into kind of disciplines plus the product in the search.
Sure, it's almost like almost like Google, right? So if say it's Leon speakers, then the speakers, if you click on it, that'll bring you to different categories, different brands, as well as those specific speakers related to that manufacturer, easing the search results in general. And we have 99 supplier partners from D-Tools Cloud that are currently here on the show floor, and I'd like to give a shout out to Barry McCorkle, who has done a great job of building those relationships with these manufacturers as well.
So, cloud obviously is the direction that we know that D-Tools is going, it's already trailblazing the way with cloud. You do have existing software that has been functioning for coming on a birthday, I guess.
21 years.
Yeah, so
old enough to drink.
System integrator can drink. I think sometimes the concerns that I had heard at some point was, well, what am I going to do about all of the work that I've invested up until this point in those software services that work great for us?
Sure. So I'm saying they are two separate products for two separate types of companies, depending on project size, the complexity one would need. If somebody needs really robust engineering in Visio and AutoCAD, or really detailed documentation reporting, and again, that like installation management, System Integrator is still the perfect fit. If you need something, I already described D-Tools Cloud, but that would be your fit. But that being, so we're still expanding upon the capabilities of SI. So obviously sales, engineering and project management, but recently announced, which happens at the end of the month for the newest iteration of System Integrator, is the ability to manage, sell, and define service orders and service contracts, which again expands its capabilities. We actually are partnered with Tracknicity, so if our customers are interested in inventory tracking, Tracknicity is a mobile application that allows that, who integrates with QuickBooks that bridges that inventory management gap. So we're still building on those capabilities. We've also just announced that we're doing distributor pricing. We have 2 distribution partners right now on the show floor as well, ADI and Savant, who've been fantastic to work with, but they're helping us out a lot. And at the end of the month as well, for the first time ever, we've only ever for our customers given MSRP. They set their own tiers of pricing, however that would be, but at the end of the month, we're actually going to finally provide supplier pricing from select partners, those that are also part of D-Tools Cloud, which is kind of, it's something that our customers have been waiting for 21 years. So we're finally giving that to them. And then to be honest, the plan is for D-Tools Cloud capabilities to completely parallel SI capabilities down the line. So our customers are encouraged, if they choose to, can migrate seamlessly, which will help them with down the line, and make it all browser-based, which would be fantastic. So we'll do integrations with Visio and AutoCAD. Integrations, we have CRM capabilities, but integrations with perhaps Salesforce if that's something they use. So that way our customers will still have easy access to everything they had, whether that be, again, not currently, but down the line, importing complete projects into D-Tools Cloud to make it seamless for them, so whatever they were doing on-premise in general, now they can just do it mobilely.
Well, a lot of great things now and things coming up. There's always a lot of information from D-Tools, so if people do want to get more information, where can they find it?
Yeah, so for more information or to try a free trial of D-Tools Cloud or System Integrator, please visit www.dtools.com.
Great.
Hey, pleasure, man.
Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Information for D-Tools can be found on their website. If you want more information about AVNation, you can visit our website. That's avnation.tv. This is Rich Fregosa for avnation.tv.